Okay, guys, so good evening and welcome again to this session. Okay, so let me first say thank you about your support, the comments. The last video we had many questions about Ripple, and you can see today we had almost 50% a bullish movements, and that's why we believe that the market have some special abilities, and we have to trade what we see, not what we think, and we have to trade the way that the market should be. Guys, in this video, I want you to use Okex, okay? And why you have to use Okex. First of all, guys, trading the markets for, let's say, for living or daily purposes, you have to use futures, okay? Spot trading, it's not an option for daily traders, okay? So if you want to make money and you want to calculate your profits, you want to calculate your order histories, I mean statistics, you have to use futures. Okay, so here in futures, I mean there is a lot of traps that many companies are providing. So in this video, I'm suggesting for you to use OKX. Okay, if it's spot or future, but I'm going to focus on futures, and I will tell you why you have to use OKX instead of any other company. So guys, trading the futures have a big risk as well as big rewards. So there is a big probability to lose your money. But if you follow my instructions, I promise you will never get your money lost. Okay, all you have to do is calculating your risks. So you cannot actually have a good statistic if you are using spot because of the you have to look for a bullish movements, and day traders we don't need bullish movements all the day. We don't need it all the year. We don't need it actually. All we have to do is trade in the markets the way it should be. So, for example, when the bull run ends, we have to get inside the bearish movements, and we have to short the markets and make money for a living. Okay, so you see, for example, in 2018, the Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies had big drops. So people were making a lot of money when actually spot traders were waiting for the opportunity to buy the lows. Some of them they rush, because of the depression and boredom. They bought some non-serious levels. Okay, so guys, futures is one of the biggest markets that you have to use if you are a big trader. But please, if you are a reckless trader, stay away from this market. Okay, so guys, why we have to use OKX? Why? The first thing is the leverage. Okay, why we have to use this kind of why we have to use this platform? Guys, if you check the other platforms, you will find that's the x1, x2, x3, it's multiplied by the number 1. So you will find multiplication by 1, 2, 5, 10, 15. Sometimes you can find some different numbers. But in OKX, okay, you can have a lot of volatility, and also you can use small leverages. Like, for example, I want to use 0.5. Okay, 0.5, it's one of the biggest options, especially if you have more than $10,000, you can make a lot of money. Just be careful to trade the direction of the market that you have in the charts. So this is not actually something related to science, but it is related to risk management, which can guarantee your existence actually in the market. Okay, so if you continue making money all the day, for example, all the week, you are absolutely a successful trader. So guys, the first thing is the leverage. We don't need to use even the 0.5. We can use 0.25. It's a big thing that you can help us to, for example, if we have, let's say, the market drop, we can use small leverages in order to have our calculation backs inside the market, and etc. Guys, that's the company gives you what we call hedge. What is the hedge? Hedge is two positions inside the markets with two different directions. So you can open a long position, and in the same time you can use, or you can open another short one. So this option doesn't exist in 90% of the companies in cryptocurrencies. Okay, for example, Binance, you cannot use hedge. You have to close your position, and sometimes we want to hedge, and by mistake we open a short position. Unfortunately, Binance closed all the things and all the positions and opens a new one for us. I had a bad experience. I lost almost $500 just by this small mistake. But OKX allows you to use hedge, okay, and it is inside there. Here you can see inside the hedge or profits from long here, guys. Okay, long or short position. Okay, so this is the first thing. The second thing, guys, is you can use a real contracts. A real contracts. If you are not a special trader, you cannot identify what is the meaning of real contracts. Here, guys, you can see in the gray one. This is a trick that's only professional traders knows that. Here, guys, you can see open long. But if you want to close, you can see close long in the red button instead of the green button, which means that your contracts are real, are sold directly inside the market. Okay, so guys, I want you to understand these things, because if you are not using a real actually market contracts, trust me, sometimes you can see manipulation. And if you have manipulation inside the company, you will not make money. Whatever is your levels or whatever is your science, I mean experience. So guys, this is the first thing. This is the second. I told you this is a real contracts. The second one is one of the biggest things that makes money, a lot of money for people, which is the order tips, or the tip of order, or order tip. Guys, you can see you have limits, which means that you can set the price you want in the limit order. The second one, advanced limit, stop order. Sometimes you want to buy the highs, okay, instead of just selling a level that will not be, allowed to be executed in the market. The trigger order, okay, trail order, the iceberg order. This is one of the favorite order tips or tip orders that whales are using every day, and also TWAP or TWAP. Okay, so guys, this is very important, and you can use a lot of things in OKX, and also you have the ability to trade real contracts. Okay, and you will make a lot of money. Also, if you check OKX in CoinMarketCap, you can see that OKX have a respectable amount of money. So I think the big future are waiting for this company. Especially, guys, there is a lot of things that made us trade with OKX, like, for example, the support team, etc. So, guys, if you have any problems with any other cryptocurrency exchanges, please switch over OKX. And by the way, they accept Americans. Okay, I think they have some special, special platforms for Americans. And also, I have friends that are trade in America just by using VPN. There is no problem. You can use VPN and etc. So, guys, don't waste your money in exchanges. Use OKX. Okay, there is a link below if you want to use. I will be more than happy if you join our community. So be careful trading the leverages, guys. Do not actually surrender to your lust. Okay, there is a lust that makes people use big leverages. This is something related to psychiatric. I think all you have to do is just do not surpass multiplication of 3 or x3. Okay, I think x3 is. I think for me, it's the only and the big leverages for me. I think there is no more available for some low risk, as long as we are trading the risk management correctly or properly. So x3, guys, is I think the big option, and also the best one you can use to make money and do not have big risks. Especially sometimes you can use big leverages and then you can have problems. So, guys, x3 or 3x triple times leverage, it's a good option. If you want, if you have big amounts more than $10,000, I'm suggesting for you just to use, okay, multiplication of 1.5. Okay, 1.5. It's a big option also. Okay, this is one of the options you can use to make money without risking your balance. And also you have many contracts, okay, like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. Okay, this is where you can make a lot of money trading the majors. So link in the description below, guys. Thank you very much uh, for your support. Thank you for hitting the like button. See you later.